Welcome to Tiny House Big Adventure, where we explore the coziest, most inspiring tiny homes around the world. Today, we take you to the peaceful hills of Cornwall, England, to discover the Elderflower Shepherd's Hut, a handcrafted escape built with love, care, and a touch of rustic charm.
Step inside, and you'll be greeted by curved ash timbers, soft natural light, and warm wooden textures. It's a cozy hideaway with a comfy double bed, plush bedding, and wide windows framing views of the countryside, perfect for curling up with a book or simply doing nothing at all.
Don't let its size fool you. This tiny hut includes a wood-burning stove to keep things toasty, a compact kitchenette, and a full private bathroom with a hot shower. Everything you need and nothing you don't.
Step outside and you're surrounded by peaceful meadows, birdsong, and grazing cow. Just a short drive away, you'll find the seaside charm of Port Isaac and the golden sands of Polzeath Beach. Whether you're stargazing or sipping tea at sunrise, this is nature at its best. The Elderflower Shepherd's Hut offers something rare, a true escape from the noise, the rush, the screens. Would you stay here for a weekend, or maybe never want to leave?